So I've been talking about the glasses I ordered from Zenni Optical, my sponsor. Now, I've never ordered glasses online before. I didn't trust it, to be honest. But mine had a scratch, and Zenni was my sponsor, so I kind of sort of had to do it, right? I mean, I can't tell you about it if I haven't done it. So my previous thinking was, prices are too cheap. These can't be good. I'm not going to like them. I'm picky. I take that back. Mine costs about $70, and I can't tell the difference from the $500 pair I purchased 2 months ago. By the way, my wife likes them too. She said they look good on your face, and I want some too. And at about $70 or less, I can buy them. I am surprised, and I'm a customer. Zenni Optical has prescription glasses, sunglasses, blue light lenses, all starting at under $30. Go to Zenni.com, pick a frame, upload your prescription. They'll ship it to your door. No appointment, no store, no upsell at the counter. And Zenni has that virtual try-on, so you can see exactly how the frames look on your face, and that is very cool and confidence building. If your glasses are overdue for a refresh, now it's time. Go to Zenni.com/podcast and use the code podcast15 for 15% off your first order. The styles sell out pretty quick, so don't sit on this. Go to Zenni.com/podcast, promo code podcast15. Okay, funny story. My wife was listening to my podcast the other day. Yes, she does that. And she said, "What's this thing called Whatnot you keep talking about on your podcast? Are you shopping without me?" Yes, I am. I'm cheating on you. It's called Whatnot. It's live shopping with chat, and it's a lot of fun. Look, I coach a lot of people online. I coach people to make money online. Most don't know how to do it. And I have been telling a few lately to go to Whatnot, see what they're doing, and give it a try. If you're a Whatnot seller, you really shine, and your people find you. And that's a big deal, because if you're selling online, they need to find you for you to make money, right? And then they become repeat customers because they see your face, not just your logo. Whatnot is the largest dedicated live shopping platform, whether it's beauty, it's collectibles, electronics, luxury, fashion, even cookies. Yep, cookies. Sellers are building real thriving businesses. Anyone can do it too. Some people on Whatnot are selling, get this, 10 times as much as they do on other major marketplaces. And you don't know this, but Whatnot buyers spend more than an hour on the app every day. They're not browsing. That's why they call them buyers. They're buying your stuff. So here's how it works. You go live, you showcase your products, and you earn real income. Search Whatnot, WHATNOT, in the App Store, download, and you can start selling right away.
Never give up, fighting till the end, gotta get back up. No time for loss, fighting till the end no matter what the cost.
Keep moving, gotta get back up. What? Keep moving, gotta get back up. Keep moving, gotta get back up. What? Keep moving, gotta get back up.
Happy Friday. Come on in. It's good to have you here today as we are counting down the top 10 topics. I was going to do more, but I thought, well, let's wrap it up before we get to Christmas week, and you guys are going to be busy, right? I was going to do this. So I went back and looked at my my stats, and this is the number one thing that you guys were paying attention to last year in terms of topic. In fact, this is the number one podcast, I think, probably because it's called the best to-do list ever. And everybody wants the best to-do list ever. I don't want one at all. I don't have one either, which is why today I'll explain how I don't have a to-do list. And yet some people look at it and say, well, that's a to-do list. No, it's not. Not at all. Hang on for the ride. We'll do that today. It is Daily Boost. Since 2006, stepping in the studio, very simple stuff. Knowing you got to get out of bed, you got to get to it. Sometimes you don't feel like it. Sometimes you need an idea. Sometimes you just know somebody is going to drag you through it. I cannot tell you how many emails I get. And I don't feel this. I know it's there. I don't feel it. The only reason I know it's there is because you send me emails. I just get up and do what I do. And I've always believed a benefit, for me, it's good. And for most people who listen to me, it's good. I'm sure there are some people that it's not a good benefit, is when I do what I do, people are helped. And so I just do what I do. And I get emails all the time from folks that say, you have no idea the times you've got me through, divorces and cancers and bad businesses and everything. And I don't think about it. I don't think that maybe 3 o'clock in the morning when you can't sleep that you come find me and hope that I've got something for you that day. I don't know that I always do. I know I always try, though. But thank you for that, by the way. My name is Scott Smith. Good to have you here today. I'd love to invite you to Face Your Passion if you're up for it. It's a great program. It is a course that you can grow on over time that will build a great foundation for you. But more importantly, it's a coaching program. Every week, a wonderful group of people from all over the world get together. We do 2 calls a week, and you can be on either one or both if you want to. It's up to you, but they tend to separate a little bit. And we have these great guided coaching calls. And we take people in really wonderful places. And it's not just the Face Your Passion program. We're really trying to help them improve their lives. I love this group and all these people. And if you're looking for that kind of connection, you need to check it out. You can go to faceyourpassion.com. We'll do an event here soon. There is an older video there that will kind of explain the premise of it. But if you just want to jump to the front of the line and you want to know, will it work for you? Just send a note to support@motivationtomove.com. Say, Scott, heard you talking about it. Let's get on the phone and tell me more. And we will. So the best to-do list ever. Ever. I'm sure you have a lot to do today, don't you? You have a lot to do on your list? It is a holiday season. I cannot get it all done. And one day it'll be done anyway. Always happens that way. You're probably busy. Busy day. Certainly if you have a traditional to-do list. A piece of paper is bad enough. If you have one of these to-do lists that multiply your reoccurring actions every single day, man, that'll drive you crazy if you don't stay on top of it. Strangely, it's amazing in my coaching program how often I will stumble upon this. I'll be in personal coaching calls. I'll be working with somebody for maybe a month. And we'll finally get to the point that goes, man, can you help me with my to-do list? My productivity is really bad. And I look at it, they have like 10,000 undone items in their to-doist. Oh, ouch. That's a whole different podcast. Maybe we'll do that someday. Lose your to-do list, guys. You need to replace it today. Follow me here on this theory. You're going to have to use your imagination. Some of you have heard this before. I want you to replace it with a did I do it list. Of course, a traditional to-do list will get the job done, no doubt about that. But it's way too easy to focus entirely on the list of things you got to do instead of what you're supposed to be doing and what you've gotten done. Back in the day, we had, come with me for a second back to the 80s. Was it the 80s? 80s and 90s, I guess. The Franklin Covey planners. Remember those planners? That leather-bound planner that was the size of like a school notebook. And you put everything in it. Your credit cards, your cash, everything. Your phone couldn't go in it because the phone was the size of a brick back then. But everything went in. And that's what they told you to do. I thought it was a great marketing idea. Here, take this, put everything in it, never let it leave you. It's like a purse for everybody. But what you had to do is you had to prioritize your stuff. And then you'd check it off as you got it done. And the last thing you did every single day was you moved it to the next page. That was a really good thing because what ended up happening was when you did that, at least you're able to say, well, I didn't do it, so maybe I don't want to do it. And after 3 or 4 days, you just don't move it, right? Well, the new computer stuff, it moves it anyway. It'll drive you insane. So a new paradigm, a new way of thinking, and this happened when I learned to fly. I forgot I think Kendall was his name, the guy that taught me to fly. When you fly an airplane, you walk out on the ramp to the airplane out there, and you do a walk around. The pilot does the walk around, makes sure the airplane is all fit, ready to go from the outside, checks the fuel, all that kind of stuff, checks the inside. And when you're first learning, it's crazy. And you have this little checklist. That's exactly what they call it. It's a to-do list, and it's usually a trifold. And it's got about 50, 60 items on it. It's crazy stuff. It is really, really, really stressful when you're learning to fly. So I'm checking off my list. I'm trying to make sure everything's done. Because you know what? If I don't get it right, I'm going to die. It's an airplane. It's very unforgiving. Something goes wrong, you crash. My instructor said, hey, Scott, don't do that. Just think of it as a did I do it list. So what do you mean by that, man? So instead of looking at it and all the stuff you got to do, just look at it like, well, did I do it? And usually there's going to be 2, 3 things that you need to do in the daytime. There may be 20 things in it on your little list there, right? 20 things that eventually you're going to do. But there's only 2 or 3 that got to get done. And that's how I use it. So yes, I have a list. I have Todoist. I keep it very, very well managed. But when I look at it, I'm looking at it never from the attitude of what do I got to do next? Got to get my job done. That's stressful. I don't like that. I want to get out of here. I want to go do fun stuff. I look at it to make sure I did it. It's a paradigm shift. It's a different way of thinking. If you can change that mindset to look at it like that, suddenly, I think you start thinking like an absolute human. You do, like a regular human. It's like, you ever forget to eat? Ever do that? I've done that before. Did I eat? I can't remember if I ate. Did I eat? I don't have a list to tell me I had to eat. Did I eat? That's not a big problem, frankly. It's just saying. To-do list. Just look at it differently today. Every time you look at it, think, did I do it list? Not to-do list. In a matter of very short period of time, you'll change everything. All right. See you at Facebook, dailyboostpodcast.com/Facebook. A quick little fancy-dancy redirect will take you over there, and that's where we can hang out together.
Keep moving, gotta